Some positive news in COVID-19 pandemic. There has been a decline today in the daily cases in Mumbai with nearly 8,000 cases in the maximum city. In last 24 hours, remember, while this is no small number, Mumbai had earlier reported 10,000 COVID cases yesterday. The test positivity ratio also dropping to nearly 14%. So, of course, looking at least at this few hours of data, can we say, is this an early sign of Omicron-driven COVID curve possibly changing? Could it be flattening in the next few days? So that's the big news coming in. Of course, remember, as we must not let our guard down. COVID-19 cases in Mumbai have been at the highest, but in the past few days, as some experts are suggesting, that everyday daily cases to a level are coming down. Now, are they coming down because the testing is going down, or is it really because the cases are also coming down? Saurabh Vakhtania with all the latest. Saurabh, because all eyes are on Maharashtra, specifically Mumbai city. 8,000 cases, not a small number in itself, but a dip than previous number of cases that were reported.
Definitely, Pooja, 8,000 cases, not a small number, but looking at the cases which were coming in the last 1 week, over 20 to 21,000 cases daily. So now with around 8,000 cases today, the cases are actually very less as compared to the previous days. And let me tell you, Pooja, the testing is also at the 57,000. Over 57,000 tests have been done in the last 24 hours, in which the over 8,000 people have been tested positive. So yes, there is a positive sign. The positivity rate has also came down around 14%. So good news for Mumbai, but yes, the BMC officials clearly telling us, and like you also mentioned, Pooja, that we should not let our guards down. They'll be continuously monitoring the situation. The more focus will be on the home testing, which the people are doing at home and not reporting to the officials, to the BMC officials. But yes, the cases have really come down, because let me tell you, in last 3 to 4 days, around 57 to 58,000 tests were being done every single day. So from 12,000 cases per day to around 8,000 cases per day, yes,
and
there is a
that
drop
also
in
to
the
remember.
cases.
As Saurabh, you're just telling us, home testing will also now be taken into consideration, because could that have also led to a fewer number of official data? That also will be considered by the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Thank you so much, Saurabh Vakhtania, with all the latest. Do take care of yourself as you continue to bring us this update.